I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system, and in this one with the Burmeister speakers it's really good. So what we have to do, if you go to your music here, we'll just click on the bottom. It's a triangle with the three circles there. It's only showing iPhone. Now I have just paired my mobile to this system, but it's not showing on music. So if you click, we're on Navi at the moment, but if you click the rotary control forward, you'll see there's nothing on media. There's nothing. It's just, you can just select media. So we select media, no Bluetooth audio, connect last audio. Connect last used player. So you've got devices and options. I'll just show you Bluetooth audio devices. If you select options, there you go. So that's giving me the option, once we've gone to audio devices, to select Barry's iPhone, and that's it. You see, and there you go. That's it playing. But I will just show you this again, because sometimes it won't come up. So it's on Bluetooth at the moment. If you click forward, you see the media with the little arrow at the side. Click on media. There you go. Media interface, media register, memory card, disk. We'll just put it on disk. No disk inserted, and then we'll go back. So I want to play, you see there, I want to play music. We'll click on music, I'll turn that down. So that's playing, but nothing's coming through the system. So we'll just go back again and click out of this. So it's not set to Bluetooth. So we click forward. There's no arrow on media, so you click on media again. No disk. Click the rotary control forward. Now media's got a little arrow next to it, and we click again. And now you can change what you want to select. We go to Bluetooth audio, click Bluetooth audio. And then when I turn this up, in fact, I'll turn this up, and then I'll use this to turn that and turn it off very quickly so I don't get a copyright strike. So that's how you play audio through the system.